Hey y'all, it's your girl Mercedes. And before you start the judging, just listen, honey. I just got off a vacation. We had ate the night before. I ended up going to sleep because your girl was tired. In the mix of that, I got PR packages and I hadn't put nothing away, and my house was looking crazy, and my son had just got home from school. So don't judge. Your girl is getting it together. I mean, we're gonna get it together. We listen and we don't judge. Keep that in mind. I'm getting it together. Just ignore the rest. But if you're new to this channel, let me tell you what this is all about. My name is Mercedes. I'm a 27-year-old mom. My son is 6 years old, and I am navigating the grief of my youngest child who passed away at 1 due to a genetic condition. I started this channel because I did not see many people that look like me or how to manage grief while still raising a child. So, on this beautiful journey and on this channel, you're going to see me navigate grief. You are going to see me heal. You are going to see me thrive. And yes, there are going to be some days that look crazy because over here in my world, it's a little bit chaotic and a little bit ghetto. But nevertheless, we're going to get our stuff together and we are going to thrive. It is not easy. It is not pretty. And when I tell you it's going to be lit, it's definitely going to be lit. But you're going to see me go to school, find new adventures, find love, figure out this new part of my life. I won't go back to completely norm, but this new norm should be pretty top tier if you ask me. I am ready for you to join this journey and figure life out. But besides that, let's really talk about the fact that these dishes are always accumulating, my girl, always accumulating. And at this point, I've done paper plates, and now it's time for my son to get to learn how to clean his own dishes. Because your girl, there's no dishwasher here. I am the dishwasher. If your house don't smell like pine sol and bleach, it's just not clean for me, okay? We're gonna bust this floor on down and we're gonna clean it. I put myself on a 45-minute timer because if I stay here any longer than 45, I'll be here all night. And I am a procrastinator. I get distracted easily. I feel like I got a tad bit of ADHD in there, and I need to be held accountable. So a timer is just enough for me. It works for me, may not work for you, but the good Lord gives us different things. Okay. So I am cleaning. Your nephew comes in my room and he just drops stuff off when he picking up outfits. I don't know if that's like all boy moms when they son pick out an outfit and they just leave stuff in your room. He got a room, and if you wonder where he's in the room because, baby, you got to get up out of my room. Clean that room. I'm not cleaning it because I don't stay in it, okay? Nevertheless, I'm gonna keep cleaning up and I'm gonna get more content out. So I need this area to be clean so I can focus and give y'all some of the best content that you've seen. And with that being said, on the content side, don't forget to go follow me on all platforms. That is Facebook, right there, hit the follow button. Then you're gonna go over to TikTok. You're gonna follow me there. Hit the follow button. You don't want to miss anything. And then we're gonna go over to Instagram and we're gonna hit the follow button there because I upload on all platforms. And with that being said, the house is completely clean now and I can focus and be refreshed and put out some of the best content possible. And until next time, y'all, don't forget to add me. Bye.